Yung mga friends ko, inaaya nila ako mag-inom para ako yung mag-alaga sa kanila. Tama ba yon? Like, tama ba yon?
Pagtatawa, tapos may mga parang bodyguard na pumapaligid na kasi medyo...
Oo, chaotic. Pero...
I was super nervous.
Talagang pakapalan ng mukha.
They exist? Charot. Making friends sa online. Medyo mahirap, especially pag spotty yung internet or hindi ka masyadong experienced mag-chat.
Minsan, hindi ka naman syempre laging online or hindi ka naman laging naka-Zoom or Discord, whatever.
Medyo nabublur na yung line between social life, home life, tsaka work life.
Yung boundaries ng sleep schedule mo mag-change talaga. Nawawala yung parang yung talagang samahan. Kasi namimiss ko rin yun eh.
Actually, sobrang saya na makipag-socialize ng face-to-face. Talagang ramdam mo. Ang ginagawa ko, talaga nag-approach ako sa kung sino mo kang mabait, ganyan, or yun, yung katabi ko, ganyan.
Mas makakapag-bonding nga talaga pag in person.
Yes.
Nung panahon ko, talagang pag pumunta ka sa tambay space, sa tambayan, nung org na yon, kailangan talaga maganda yung social skills mo.
It's really exciting to parang meet them in person, see how they look like.
Hindi ko ma-imagine yung process na in person.
Kahit ba medyo nahihiya ka, wala kailangan mo siya para makasurvive ka talaga sa college life. Para sumasaya naman yung buhay mo, ganyan.
Pero wala pa rin makakatalo dun sa yung nasa lugar ka talaga.
I really wanna meet the people I've met online because it's already really fun hanging out with them and getting to know them online. What more in real life?
Since ang tambay space ng Broadass at ng mga klase ko ay isang building lang, so before and after class, pwede pa akong pumunta doon, makipagchikan sa mga assers.
Alam mo yun, naglalakad din barka-barkada papuntang mga inuman. For example, no, rest in peace Bebes, rest in peace TK, yung mga inuman before. Wala na ba yun?
Wala. Masyadong meaningful yung moments na yun.
Ano na ba yung mga napuntahan ko?
Usually, no, F to F, yung mga kasama ko talagang umiinom is yung friends ko from the other side of Katipunan. I don't really know why, pero...
Yung noon talaga medyo, chaotic.
I would say that because of Broadass and because of like the people here in our organization, like medyo na-expert ko na yung iba't ibang mga inuman places sa UP. So you have Landpine, na-close na kayo. You have Wandus, close na kayo. You have Papus, na-close na kayo. So pop-up na lang talaga yung natitirang buhay na inuman sa Katipunan.
Inaaya nila ako na mag-inom, like yung mga friends ko, inaaya nila ako mag-inom para ako yung mag-alaga sa kanila. Tama ba yon? Like, tama ba yon?
May mga nabubuong memories, kumbaga.
Yung tipong may pagbang ng table, yung pagtatawa, tapos may mga parang bodyguard na pumapaligid na kasi medyo alcoholic na yung mga tao.
Patay sila lahat, guys. Tapos ako rin na, last woman standing.
So kapag yung electronic na na ganung setup, parang ang weird lang tignan. Ang weird siya i-experience.
When I had to attend my first inuman for an org, I was super nervous. I called my friend, one of my best friends from high school. I was like, what if they pressure me? What if kung ano-ano yung papiinumin nila sa akin or whatever? And then she said, they can't do anything to you naman. You're just at home.
Sometimes, kapag, sige, may soju ako, may lashes ako dito sa paligid ko, parang still feels different and I agree with you na hindi talaga niya... It's not the same. It's really not the same.
You're drinking, oo. You have them sa video chat, oo. Pero sa totoo, mag-isa ka talaga eh.
Iba pa din talaga when you have humans around you.
Eventually, I became more comfortable with drinking online because whatever happens, I'm safe at home. And I can't embarrass myself too much in front of people because I'm just in my room.
Wala, parang nakakamiss lang yung mga ganun. Pero I really wanna experience how to get drunk, as in really drunk. Kaso, feeling ko talaga blessed ako with such a high tolerance for alcohol. So, I don't think that's gonna happen. Pero sana, kahit once lang, para ma-experience ko naman
Nako.
paano yung ako yung inaalagaan. Grabe, sa sobrang pagka-miss ko sa F2F, hindi pa alam yung sasabihin ko.
Mas namimiss ko talaga yung social bonding. Na kahit hindi lang inuman actually, kahit La Union together.
I think, especially now na meron ng mga vaccines, may mga protocols na ganyan, I think mas better talaga to push for a hashtag ligtas na balik eskwela.
It's a thing na kailangan nating pagtuunan ng pansin. Dapat i-prioritize yung ligtas na balik eskwela, ligtas na pag-open ng economy sa lahat ng sectors din para makapagbalik tayo sa normal.
I am robbed of like that college life na dapat nakikipag-socialize ka lang, you're enjoying your college life.
Ang dami nating namimiss. So I guess we need to channel that nostalgia, that feeling, that yearning para makabalik na talaga tayo to normal. Ayun. I miss us. Sana bumalik na!
Bye!
This is us!